Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Second Nature. First 14 to 18 questions are to complete the summary. Psychologists have traditionally believed that a personality dash was impossible. Psychologists को लगता है कि ये चीज़ impossible है. Let's see in the paragraph. Psychologists have long held that a person's character cannot undergo a transformation. So its answer is transformation. Next question is, by dash, a person's character tends to be fixed. Person का character fix रहता है. Let's see in the paragraph. In any meaningful way, and that the key traits of personality are determined at a very young age. So its answer is young age. Next question is, this is not true according to positive psychologists, who say that our personal qualities can be seen as habitual behavior. One of the easiest qualities to acquire is dash, एक ऐसी quality जिसे हम easily acquire कर सकते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Some qualities are less challenging to develop than others, optimism being one of them. So its answer is optimism. Next question is, however, regardless of the quality, it is necessary to learn a wide variety of different dash in order for new quality to develop. नई quality को develop करने के लिए हमें wide variety of सीखने की ज़रूरत होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Developing qualities requires mastering a range of skills. So its answer is skills. Next question is, a person must understand and feel some dash in order to increase their happiness. अपनी खुशी को बढ़ाने के लिए एक इंसान को ये चीज़ फील करनी और समझनी चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph. To bring more joy and passion into your life, you must be open to experiencing negative emotions. So its answer is negative emotions. Next 19 to 22 questions are to match the statements with list of people. First statement is, people must accept that they do not know much when first trying something new. जब आप किसी नई चीज़ को ट्राई करें तो आपको ये मानना चाहिए कि आप उसके बारे में इतना नहीं जानते. This statement is of Todd Kashta. Let's see in the paragraph. Psychologist Todd Kashta has this advice for those people taking up a new passion. As a newcomer, you also have to tolerate and laugh at your own ignorance. You must be willing to accept the negative feelings that come your way, he says. Next statement is, it is important for people to actively notice when good things happen. जब कुछ अच्छा होता है तो लोगों को उसे actively notice करना चाहिए. This statement is of Suzanne Segerstrom. Let's see in the paragraph. Suzanne Segerstrom recommends you train yourself to pay attention to good fortune by writing down 3 positive things that come about each day. Next question is, courage can be learned once its origins in a sense of responsibility are understood. Responsibility के sense में अगर courage का origin understood हो जाए तो इसे सीखा जा सकता है. This statement is of Cynthia Puri. Let's see in the paragraph. According to Cynthia Puri, a psychologist at Clemson University, Pedalios's story proves the point that courage is not motivated by fearlessness, but by moral obligation. Puri also believes that people can acquire courage. Next question is, it is possible to overcome shyness when faced with the need to speak in public. अगर public में बोलने की ज़रूरत को face किया जाए तो shyness को खत्म किया जा सकता है. This statement is of Christopher Peterson. Let's see in the paragraph. Inherently introverted, he realized early on that as an academic, his reticence would prove disastrous in the lecture hall. So he learned to be more outgoing and to entertain his classes. Next 23 to 26 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First statement is, a mention of how rational thinking enabled someone to achieve physical goals. किस तरह sensible thinking से physical goals को achieve किया जा सकता है? This statement has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. You can recognize a person who is passionate about a pursuit by the way they are so strongly involved in it. Tanya Streeter's passion is freediving, the sport of plunging deep into the water without tanks or other breathing equipment. Beginning in 1998, she set 9 world records and can hold her breath for 6 minutes. The physical stamina required for this sport is intense, but the psychological demands are even more overwhelming. Next statement is, an account of how someone overcome a sad experience. किस तरह किसी ने अपने sad experience को दूर किया. This statement has been taken from paragraph C. He was preparing for university when he had an accident that put an end to his sports career. On campus, he quickly found that beyond ordinary counseling, the university had no services for students who were undergoing physical rehabilitation and suffering from depression like him. He therefore launched a support group to help others in similar situations. He took action despite his own pain, a typical response of an optimist. Next question is a description of how someone decided to rethink their academic career path. कैसे किसी ने अपने academic career path को rethink किया? This statement has been taken from G. Let's see in the paragraph. In 2004, physician-scientist Mauro Zapatero began his PhD research at Harvard Medical School. Unfortunately, he was miserable as his research was not compatible with his curiosity about healing. He finally took a break, and during 8 months in Santa Fe, Zapatero learned about alternative healing techniques not taught at Harvard. When he got back, he switched labs to study how cerebrospinal fluid nourishes the developing nervous system. Next question is an example of how someone risked his career out of a sense of duty. Duty के लिए कैसे किसी ने अपना career खतरे में डाला? This statement has been taken from paragraph H. Let's see in the paragraph. For marketing executive Kenneth Pedalios, it meant speaking out against something he thought was ethically wrong. The new manager was intimidating staff, so Pedalios carefully recorded each instances of bullying and eventually took the evidence to a senior director, knowing his own job security would be threatened. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.